Hello, my dear students. It is me, Malik Farooq Ahmed, and the topic it is structural organization in animal tissues. And we were dealing with the covering epithelia. इसके बाद उसके टाइप्स और टाइप्स के बाद हमने उसके फंक्शंस पढ़ने हैं और थोड़ा आगे बढ़ना है. तो आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है वो है फंक्शंस ऑफ कवरिंग एपिथेलिया एंड द सेकंड टाइप सिंपल क्यूबिकल और क्यूबाइडल एपिथेलियम. Functions of covering epithelium. It has certain functions, that is, number first, secretion of cellular fluid. It secretes cellular fluid. Number second, it helps in the filtration in Bowen's capsule. Bowen's capsule जो हमारी किडनीज में होता है वहाँ जो फिल्ट्रेशन उसमें ये काफ़ी मदद करता है. नंबर थर्ड, एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल बिटवीन ब्लड कैपिलरीज एंड tissue fluid. Exchange of material between blood capillaries and tissue fluid. Number 4, exchange of gases. Number 5, formation of diffusion boundaries. And number 6, production due to formation of surface layers. These are some certain functions of covering epithelia, or we can say the simple squamous or pavement epithelium. The first one of the this epithelial tissue. Number second, today we are dealing with the simple cubical or cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. The epithelium consists of a single layer of polygonal cells which appear cuboidal in vertical section. Height and width are equal. The epithelium consists of a single layer of polygonal cells which appear cuboidal in vertical section. Height and width are equal. The epithelium overlies a basement membrane. Nucleus is rounded. It is centrally placed. Free surface of the cells may be smooth or bear microvilli. Microvilli appear as brush borders. They increase the surface area to the several times. The second part of the simple cubical or cuboidal epithelium, and the second type of epithelial tissue is simple cubical or cuboidal epithelium. What is this? Figure number 7.9 I have traced here. 7 point simple cubical or cuboidal epithelium. Look at the figure and see. The epithelium consists of a single layer of polygonal cells. इसमें जितने भी cells है, they look like polygonal, which appear cuboidal. Just they are looking like cubes in vertical section. Height and width are equal. इनके height और width जो है बराबर होती है. The epithelium overlies a basement membrane. इनका एक basement membrane भी होता है. Nucleus is rounded. Nucleus is rounded here. Nucleus rounded. It is centrally placed और central में ये place. Free surface of the cells may be smooth or bare. इनकी जो free surface है वो smooth भी हो सकते हैं और या उनको माइक्रोवेल भी हो सकते हैं. छोटे छोटे ब्रश पर माइक्रोवेल appear as a brush border. They increase the surface area to the several times. Now occurrence, ये कहाँ कहाँ आपको मिलेंगे occurrence. Simple cubical epithelium occurs in small terminal respirative bronchioles. Simple cubical epithelium, they appear. Simple cubical epithelium occur in small terminal respiratory bronchioles. एक तो ये bronchioles में मिलते हैं. Sweat, salivary and pancreatic ducts, thyroid follicles. Brush border cubical epithelium occurs in proximal convoluted part of the uniferous tubules. In distal convoluted part of these tubules, the cells are larger, cuboidal or small columnar. Germinal epithelium of ovary and seminiferous tubules is also made up of cuboidal cells. So the occurrence of these simple cubical epithelium cells, they occur in small terminal respiratory bracteoles. एक तो सिंपल क्यूबिकल एपिथेलियम दे ऑकर्स इन स्मॉल टर्मिनल रेस्पिरेटरी ब्रैंक्यूल्स. एक तो ये ब्रैंक्यूल्स में आपको मिलेंगे, स्वेट सिल्वरी एंड पेनक्रियाटिक डक्ट्स में मिलेंगे, थायराइड फॉलिकल्स में मिलेंगे. ब्रश वाटर ट्यूबिकल एपिथेलियम ऑकर्स इन द प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड पार्ट ऑफ यूनिफेरस ट्यूबुल्स, किडनीज में आपको मिलेंगे. In the distal convoluted parts of these tubules, the cells are larger, cuboidal or similar. Germinal epithelium of the ovary and seminiferous tubules are also made up of cuboidal cells. Now,